I am going evening teacher. I am going to present the fall work. Importance and benefits of preventive maintenance its heavy vehicle. Number is Kevin Poker Mauricio. Introduction. Preventive maintenance is the set of planned action, correct or periodical. It's heavy vehicle, trucks, buses, machinery. Its importance is ever reacts due to the operational demands they face during use. Importance of preventive maintenance. React safety. Regular inspection of brake, roads, lanes, strength, and suspension. Aids preventing furies, fast flood cause serious accident, broke for the driven and other regulatory compliance, proper maintenance, ensuring compliance with traffic laws, emission standards, and environmental safety regulation. Operating cost safety detecting injury before they burst avoids mejor and constantly repairs. For example, in replacing a borbate in mucho cheaper has repairing an engine demanded by overheating. Increased vehicle availability, minimizing wasting a idle vehicle is a direct loss of productivity and income.